Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a before and after report for Mark in Kentucky on this Ranger RCI-2995DXCF. Mark, just wanted to show you the beforehand here. RF power all the way down, 100-watt slug. Low. It'll swing forward to about 4 watts. 250-watt slug and peak. Hello, audio, about 125. I'm just going to turn the power halfway up. I'm not even comfortable with that. That's showing 80-watt carrier. Let me roll that down here to 40. Hello, hello, hello. So about 125 peak, but the average is twitching backwards. We're going to take care of all those problems, and we'll be back. And we're back with Mark's radio. We got you all done here. It's been close to 24 hours past. I worked on it on and off. Someone had been inside here and changed the MOSFETs in the amp section. Gate voltage was too high. We set that down to specifications. Did our tune and alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. Did some other upgrades that we always do. So let's just get right to it. Our power all the way down. Mark, you said you're going to run a 6-pill with this. So we set you up at 4 watts all the way down. You won't have to run it that low, but that way you have full adjustability. Then if you decide to run just the radio, there's your 40 watts all the way up. And if you remember before, it was twitching backwards from 40 watts on average power. Let's see now. Hello, about 78 bird. So instead of going backwards, you're doubling your carrier. 250 watt slug in PEP. See what we've increased there. Low, about 182 watts. Alright, Mark, this ought to work out great. Ought to cruise along that 6-pill just perfectly. You're going to see a dramatic increase in audio clarity on AM and sideband. So I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.